Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. In our today's study world, we are going to help you. One video that will finally help you understand fractions. Today is the day we are going to learn how to solve multiplying and dividing within seconds. After this video, you will never say that multiplication or division of fraction, either of these are difficult for you. So let's get started. We will first discuss multiplication of fractions. How do we multiply fractions? For multiplication, it's a very simple phenomena that says that first you go straight and then you go cross. So first I will go straight. I will meet my teammate. Who is my teammate? Another numerator. 7 times 8, if it is confusing, you can write it together, and then I will go across and meet the other team, that is 5 times 3. Now, of course, if you have reached to the fraction, you should be very good with your multiplication tables. 7 times 8 is 56 and 5 times 3 is 15. So there is nothing to worry here. You just multiply your numerators together and followed by your denominators. The numerators will make one team and the denominators will make another team. Now let's take a look at dividing fraction. Is it the same principle for division? No, absolutely not. We have discussed this in our previous video also, that for division of fraction, it is KCF. KCF. K stands for keep. You keep the first fraction exactly same the way it is. C stands for change. You change, but what do you change? You change the division sign into multiplication sign. So it's a big change from division to multiplication. And finally, a flip. How do we flip a burger? The top goes at the bottom and the bottom goes on the top. So 5 comes on the top and 3 at the bottom. 4 times 5 is 20, because that's what we do. We multiply the numerators followed by multiplying the denominators. 9 times 3 is 27. So what's my answer? 20 by 27. I hope now you have all become a pro. You are no more confused when it comes to fraction. You have become a pro from being a confused learner to a pro in your room. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next upcoming video. Bye-bye.